If I dey play football, I go bench him Messi, bench him Neymar, bench Ronaldo. Simba fake mama, mama gave me Nado.
I cannot take it anymore. You are too stiff on bed. You are not even flexible. Just to give me only one style. Just you big food everywhere.
But you're big too.
That's why I made the mistake. We are not compatible.
One le on bat.
Guy, like your game just the cut. So I just the best sleep.
My guy, just tire.
So you have not heard of bet fuse?
Bet fuse?
Yes, now. Bet fuse is a Telegram channel where they give us short and short match predictions. You have a VIP group. See, if you play their prediction like this, you're gonna catch us steady.
Even now.
Oh, babe.
Hi, babe. What's up?
Babe, I'm not fine. There's fire on the mountain.
How? What happened?
Is he not my boyfriend? He keeps complaining that I'm not good on bed, that I'm not flexible. See, babe, I'm trying, I'm trying my best. Babe, I'm tired.
I've heard everything you said, and I know that you guys are having issues. This is Oriente, the solution to your problem.
You mean now? Can you do monkey style?
Jesus! Jesus!
Scorpion style.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Flamingo style. This is the woman for me.
I'll be leaving Oriente with you guys. She will teach you how to do all those styles so that you can satisfy your man on bed.
Thank you.
G, while your babe is undergoing training, Oriente will be servicing you any style you want.
Stranger.
Oriente, come to daddy.
Now why we dey call am goat? Now why he dey always turn up? He go turn up.